welcome back to JJ's PC Builds. Glad to see you back once again. JJ right at you. Before we get started, I just want to say if you like my videos and everything, like, subscribe, share, and comment below. The more likes I get on the videos, the more that YouTube will recognize us and put my content out there to y'all so you can get the next updates. Seems that the algorithms don't put out my videos the way they're supposed to. I got plenty of videos here for you to see. You know, just like and subscribe, and that will keep us going. That will be able to make our content more recognizable. But anyway, let's get back to the show. Alrighty, let's dive right into this little bit of a newscast. I know it's not really bit of a news, but to me, I'm touching up on this topic. Intel 13th Gen. Well, let's see. 13 Gen Intel Core processors, the hot topic of the news. It seems that San Jose, California, on the 27th, 2 days ago, at Intel Innovation, Intel revealed the 13th Gen Intel Core processor, the i9-13900K, the world's fastest desktop processor, which they claim. And the new 13th Gen Core processor includes 6 new unlocked desktop processors with 24 cores and 32 threads. Well, that's a lot. Compared to what I have right now, that's a lot. You know, I can't imagine going back from 1986 to now, where 1986 you had 1 core and you had frequency. And now you got 24 cores, 32 threads, clock speeds up to 5.8 gigahertz. Oh my God, that's just, I mean, think about it. I mean, going back from that day to this day, that, I mean, to me, that's just unbelievable. And they claim that it's the best gaming, streaming, and recording experience, which we will see when we get our hands on it. Led by the launch of the Intel Core K processor, the 13 Gen Core desktop family will consist of 22 or more and 125 partner system designs, providing an uncompromising experience. Well, we'll see what the experience is going to be. So, you know, it's a lot of people are saying for the, you know, getting to what the price is and everything else, they don't foresee that it's going to be something. But we're going to put up a chart. And this chart they got to where they say the i9-3900K is 24 core, 32 threads, 36 meg cache. That's going to be. And total L2 cache is 32 meg. Now, if you remember on old processors, it used to be L1 and L1. They had an L1 cache, and then they went to an L1 and L2 cache. Now, what I understood back then, L2 cache was the hot speed for the processor. So, with them throwing on 32 megs of L2 cache, that I'm starting to think that might be the hot topic of it all, because that's going to give the processors the boost they need. Everybody thinks, well, the L3 cache is going to give the boost. Not necessarily. Maybe for large files, but for small files and stuff like that, that's what your L2 cache will do for you. And they say up to turbo frequency, P core frequency up to 5.8. 5.8 is a that's 5.8 gigahertz. Come on. I mean, I want to see that. And they say the E-core is up to 4.3 gigahertz. We'll see about that. P-core base frequency is 3.0. E-core frequency is 2.2 gigahertz. Unlocked. That's a good thing, because I like to see the unlock, because that's really going to boost it up. And it's got a graphics processor built in on the CPU. It's got the Intel UHD graphics 770. Oh my goodness. I'm going to definitely have to test that out, because I'm more or less like a fanboy of graphics built onto the motherboard. It's inexpensive, and it's all in one package price. That right there, with them saying that they got 32 L2 cache and a 36 L3 cache, compared to what I have right now, the Ryzen 5600G with 16 megs of L3 cache and half of that L2 cache. You know, that is a big difference. That right there, that's kind of got me sparked up. You know, I understand that AMD's come out with their new 7000 processors. That I understand, but I have not tested it, so I don't know nothing about it. Well, I don't know. I've watched reviews on it, but in actuality, I haven't tested it yet. When I get my hands on it, I will test it. That's when I get my hands on it, you know, because basically they got 700, 600, 800, you know, they got a high price on it. So in order for me to get it, I got to buy it. So I got to wait until I can buy it. Just like the 13th gen Intel, I got to wait until I get it, so that way I can test it and do it right here on YouTube for you. So, but anyway, it's DDR5 memory, the 13th gen, and it looks like they got it partnered up with ASUS right there. They got to partner up with ASUS, the TUF Gaming, the Z790 motherboard series. And those two, and ASUS has an awesome board. I got an ASUS motherboard in here. I got the B450M A2. I got it in my I'm running it right now. Believe it or not, I'm video editing with this computer, playing games as well, and, you know, streaming to y'all. So it's doing its justice, but I want to do something better, because I need to get more speed here, because this computer is just, it's limited. I'm starting to think it's limited to what it needs to be doing. But anyway, let's get back to the hot topic. We got ASUS TUF Gaming motherboard, the Z790 series. It looks like it's got some good VRM coverage. Looks like it's got heavy heat sinks. Definitely got some room for some M.2 slots. It doesn't look very, how can I say this? It doesn't look very blingy, you know, with RGB, but not all boards have to be blingy to be good. And just remember that too. But it's going to be interesting to get those two paired up, especially with the 1,000-watt power supply. And, you know, I'll probably test the limits and go with, you know, the motherboard, the CPU, and the RAM and just switch it out for what's in here in my system to see what it does. To see if the power supply that I have handles up to 900 watts like it says it does. That's going to be another topic for another video. But anyway, if you're enjoying my videos today, please like and subscribe and help out the channel and help us get on our feet and, get past this 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 video hour kind of thing, so we can get the channel rolling. It takes a lot of people to get get in on the channel and help us out, and all of it is much appreciated. We're going to continue to make videos, and we're going to continue to wanting to make this grow, give you more incisive details on what we're doing. I know in the beginning I haven't did anything incisive for you to come and join this channel, but I am trying, because I'm not a camera expert. When it comes to talking live to somebody, I don't have a problem with that. But when it comes to setting up the videos and stuff, I'm trying my best. This is, the new video world is new to me. But the PC building game is not. I've been in it 35 years, but it's just the video part. I haven't been into it. So if you understand that, then we're good to go. But then, my videos sometimes are going to be long, they're going to be short, just to let you know. But anyway, if you do like my video, like and subscribe, and please leave a comment below. Maybe there's something, you can tell me that I need to do that would make my video experience to you a lot better. But anyway, till the next time, and remember, ASUS, Intel, they got something coming up for you, so do stick around for that, and that's going to be a hot show, believe it or not. So take care, have a great day, and we will see you again.